to Dreamcatchers. We are here to pass on the knowledge that we have. Thank you for taking time out and being here today. We'll be talking about Nata 2020 National Aptitude Test in Architecture. Please share this video with your friends too, as it is told, if you have knowledge, let others light their candles in it. So, in the view of prevalent situation arising out of coronavirus pandemic COVID-19, Council of Architecture has decided to conduct Nata as a comprehensive online aptitude test. Nata 2020 shall be conducted twice a year. Both first and second test will be conducted on different dates as totally computer-based examination all over the country. First Nata examination date is on 29th August 2020, which is on Saturday. Examination duration is of 2 hours. Part B shall be conducted first, followed by Part A. Part B is of 45 minutes and Part A is of 72 minutes. Both parts are computer-based examination. There will be an interval of 3 minutes, which is the rollover period between Part A and Part B. Let's discuss about the exam pattern and the mark distribution. Part A having 125 marks and Part B holding 75 marks, so overall 200 marks. In Part A, we have this cognitive skills test. Part A shall consist of time-based preferential type questions such as PTQ and MCQs. MCQ is multiple choice questions. There are total of 10 questions in Part A, and let's discuss about that now. Talking about question number 1 shall be of PTQ type and carrying 12 marks. This question has to be completed in 12 minutes. There are 4 choices of answers and each right choice holding variable marks out of 17. Talking about question number 2, 3 and 4 shall be PTQ type and carrying 16 marks each. There are 4 right answers in each question. Each right answer holding 4 marks, totally 16 marks per question. The timing for this question are 12 minutes each. Talking about question number 5 to 10 shall be MCQ type questions carrying 10 marks each and it has to be completed in 4 minutes per question. So, talking about overall totaling, it is 17 marks for question number 1 and question number 2, 3 and 4 totaling 48 marks and question number 5 to 10 totaling 16 marks. So overall it is 125 marks. Questions will appear one by one and are to be answered within the maximum time. After candidate answer a question or its maximum time limit exceeds, the system will move forward to the next question. Going back and forth of the questions are completely not allowed, so let's keep an eye on the time and complete this part very successfully. So let's talk about Part B. Part B shall consist of multiple choice questions only. So it has 2 subdivisions. First is physics, chemistry and mathematics and second is general aptitude and logical reasoning. So talking about physics, chemistry, mathematics, we have 15 questions in total holding 1.5 marks each. So overall 22.5 marks out of 75 marks is going for this PCM. So let's talk about general aptitude and logical reasoning. We have 35 questions in this and each question holding 1.5 marks, so totally 52.5 marks for this session. So overall 50 question has to be answered in 45 minutes. Each question shall have 4 options out of which only one option is correct. Each correct response will yield 1.5 marks. So next point is we don't have negative marking. So let's give it a try to all the questions even if you are unaware of the questions or answers. Let's make a study plan for part 1 and part B. As we already know, part 1 has this cognitive skills for drawing and visual composition test. So we have to be familiar with these 6 concepts to get high marks. So first is to understand the visual principles in composition, that is balance, symmetry, rhythm, direction, proportion, hierarchy, etc. Second, understand the geometry and ability to visualize shape and solve geometrical puzzles to test spatial intelligence. Third, understanding the color theory and various terminologies to test color scheme awareness and knowledge. Fourth, visual system interpretation and perception to test graphical similarities and other properties. Fifth, ability to understand the spatial relationship between objects and to visualize images and scenarios. 6. Test for cognitive ability, perception, attention, recognition, memory, etc. So now let's talk about part B. In part B, we have this general aptitude holding 52.5 marks out of 75 marks, which has concepts like mathematical reasoning, sets and relation. And coming to the second part of part B, it is physics, chemistry, mathematics. I would like to say this to you that you have to keep brushing up your 12th standard syllabus for these subjects. I can understand it is tough task, but remember this PCM part holds 15 questions. It can be 5 questions from each subject. This portion is your piece of cake because you have almost studied for 1 year on this. So the total mark this portion holds is 22.5 out of 75 marks. So think about it. So if you want us to discuss on syllabus in detail, let us know in the comment section below. So now let's talk about the study plan. So as we already know, the part 1 holding higher importance as it has higher marks. Kindly spend at least 1 hour to understand these 6 concepts, and definitely part B has huge portion to cover up, holding equal time to study and revise the concepts. So overall 1 plus 1 2 hours per day are really required to crack your Nata. Try to exercise yourself with mock test. One mock test per day surely helps. So connect with us in YouTube. We keep uploading lots of mock tests in the upcoming days. So if you have any questions or doubt, just pop them in the comment section. We will definitely revert you back. Please do subscribe so that you will be notified when we upload the mock test or other study materials.